Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Move from there. Move. And today I got to deal with Najeeriii, aka Bob, with ROCKABYE. ROCKABYE. Najeeriii is an artist where just fall up on the scene and I create waves. Big up Najeeriii, big up yourself, Najeeriii. Young artist, 17 years old, and you do it, bro. Me personally, me can't understand everything what you say. I mean, a lot of people out there cannot understand what you say, because me speak to a lot of people, and they must share the same views as me. Like the confessant on there. You know what me hear? Drunk up and stem tear, back to talk on tear, that me hear, but it's so good. Me like it. Me like it. Yeah, me like it. You just done bad and the goddamn. Me don't know what you say, Benji, but me like it. It's bad. So we here with ROCKABYE, and I hope I can get a few words from it. Hope you have subtitles too. Even though the subtitles them now, help see him. Let's go. Let's go. Big up the production team.
I see. I cut that anytime them man me die.
I see, you know.
Skull can ball to your man father. Never lie. A lie? You grab a lie. Bah.
His skull can't fall to me, so I rock a witch pie. The property's mine from me that a thin line.
The skull can't ball to me, so I rock a bitch by. So basically, I tell you, say, nah, no mercy on the skull.
His skull can't fall to me, so I rock a witch pie. The property's mine from me that a thin line. And no sack of this, if his skull a chop as it slide. As your jagger meal, when he sort of swallow this pipe.
Me like how, alright. In our interview, in this, him nah. In say any song he put out, he might put out subtitles. So if you see the production team don't put no subtitles behind this, we can understand what he must say. And I can understand. I can. Thank you for clearing that up for the fans, bro.
To me, so I rock a witch pie. The property's mine from me that a thin line. And no this, if his skull a chop as it slide. As your jagger meal, when he sort of swallow this pipe. Despite every style from poverty's time mill. Rise, lift 5 from another rich climb still. Try flip lies and about ya will find clip. Pile with pines and I go catch chip like it's a flow symphony. We trick client in a code bin hacking. Pour him pocket and stole him assets.
I understand about 30% of what I say. Yeah.
From poverty's time mill. Rise, lift 5 from another rich client still. Try flip lies and about ya will find clip. Pile with pines and I go catch chip like it's a flow symphony. We trick client in a code bin hacking. Pour him pocket and stole him assets. First chop light but the 4 did solid. Some left.
Yeah, I'm just say big up the ad-libs. Big up the ad-libs them. Yo, I'm full of ad-libs. And for those who don't know what ad-libs mean, when them, like you hear my singer and you're solid in the background and time. Yeah, and them something there. Like little sound effects them in the background, that's ad-libs.
Try flip lies and about
full of ad-libs.
Pile with pines and I go catch it like it's a flow symphony. We trick client in a code bin hacking. Pour him pocket and stole him assets. First chop light but the 4 did solid. Someone left a whole girl a cry. You tell her ROCKABYE. My brother ROCKABYE and left a paranoid and
man saying left a whole bitch cry. One of them have no mercy for the granny them. Granny.
Stole him assets. First chop light but the 4 did solid. Someone left a whole girl a cry. You tell her ROCKABYE. My brother ROCKABYE and left a paranoid and antagonized. He got paralyzed once that cash arrived from back. Grab a giant bank like homicide. Alone stacks and shots and ROCKABYE. If one got hot tax from chopper die.
Me not agree with that part, that's me G. You go chop a old girl and chop people them. We buy loan Glocks and shots and them something there. No dog. Investment, bro. Investment, me G. Me not understand why them artists here. No, not artists. Them chopper here nowadays. And this is not aimed at Najeeriii in any shape or form. Any way, shape or form. But notice that these chopper nowadays now show no house. They might show them markets, they might show them Benz, they might show them Beamer. Them not show no house, them not show no businesses, them not show no real estate. You understand? Like, what do you think, say? This chopping thing I gonna last forever? Doesn't last forever, my guys. So, you need to, if you're not gonna do the wrong thing to get the right results, bro. Do the wrong thing to get the right results sometimes. Sometimes that you have to do in life. Do the wrong thing to get the right results. What I mean by that is, if you are gonna chop or do any criminal activities to get some money, make sure, say, when you get the money, you put it to use so you can stop the criminal activities and turn your life around and focus on what that criminal activity money give you a start. You see me? Make sure say that to not do, brother. We don't want to see no markets, we don't want to see no Benz, we don't want to see no Beamer. All of that is value depreciate on them something like that. We want us, we want businesses, we want a damn thing that we want to see, brother. Investments. You understand? Yeah. So that is just my take on things. And like me say, it's not a dig at Najeeriii. Big up Najeeriii. Not a dig at him. Me just talk in general. Because these are conversations I have with my friend them more time. Where enough man of the whole heap of things. And nah, we not see nothing from it, dog. Like, come on. Come on, man.
Black eye, they tell her rockabye. My brother 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 left you paranoid and antagonized. He got paralyzed once that cash arrived from back. Grab a giant bank like homicide. Alone stocks and shots and 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. If one got hot tax from chopper die. And if you contact cops thanks to a guide. Make mommy bank got fat, that's paradise. The incomes increase. She fuck with leads, press the plug discreet. The bitch herself fuck and then she fuck sit free. Send it be mad them a roll and what he talk. She please press.
Yo, big up Sid, in every song him shout out Sid. He must say the bitch herself fuck and then she fuck Sid free. so Sid now have no money for fuck it. Yeah.
That's paradise, the incomes increase. She fuck with leads, press the plug discreet. The bitch herself fuck and then she fuck Sid free. Send it be mad them a roll and what he talk. She please press the chip on it, that's call and send it hunting cheese. Oh, caught na the trap. Calls for the granny and charge. Let the cops pop. Nah, stop it, robbery and can't stop it chop. Mad dog, stop it, mockery, mad dog, stop it, capping ya. And press the flippy money fast and it's spatula. No bricks father, my mom's got the cash in up. Top ball out far from the magic squad. Clocks got can out dark out valiant. Chop got palm for start hockey chopping at. Mom says she want pop it Mali capsule, but the African could make it baggy drop. Someone left a whole 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. They tell her rockabye. My brother 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 left you paranoid and antagonized. He was paralyzed once that cash arrived from pop. Grab a giant bank like homicide. Alone stocks and shots and 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. If one got hot, that's from chopper dial. And if you contact cops, thanks to a guide. Make mommy bank got fuck and paradise. So I rock a witch pie. Your property's mine from your that in line. I know sucker this. Every scholar chopper this slide. As a drag a mill. Minnesota swallow this pipe. Despite every style from poverty's time. Rise lift five from another rich client still. Try flip lies and a butter will find clip. Pile with pint. This a like a chip like it's a flossing panic. Which is
Yo, he might do it, you know. He might do it, you fuck. He might do it, and the street love him. The street gravitate to him. The street love him. That's a one thing you need to know about the youth. Yeah, he might 17 years old, and he might do it. He might do it big. You see me? The melodies them bad. Melodies them the ad libs them bad as well. I love the ad libs them. You see me? Najeeriii, you can't put a foot wrong right now, my G. You see me? You can't put a foot wrong right now. Or you are the man, dog. Like, you have to just go out and just do it, brother. Continue doing what you're doing, bro. You're bad. Yeah, you're bad. You're bad. You're bad. You see me? Anyway, I don't have much to say. This time I'm going to leave one. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you know. Also, YouTube tell me, say, the people that might watch the video, there's a high percentage of you guys do not subscribe. What is the reason for that? Why only not subscribe? Want to watch? Want to constantly watch but not subscribe? You come up on a recommendation page but not subscribe. You come up on a page, na favorites and not subscribe. Tell me why. Just tell me why. You understand? But anyway, this time I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Big up yourself. Peace.